Hi, so let's understand how you can actually appeal for your trademark both for Facebook and Instagram. Okay, so both of these link I will add in the description so that you can check this out. So first let's get started with the Facebook. So once you will come this page, okay, you will find this agree button. First you contact the person, okay, complainant person. Okay, so who sent you trademark notice, you contact him first. Okay, this is the first point. Then number 2, you should use the link sent by Facebook. Okay, number 3, once this form submitted, okay, there will be further instruction sent to your email. That part you should complete. Okay, so you will have final instruction. Okay, so I hope you are able to understand my points. Okay, so these 3 you follow. Okay, so now I want to show you this form, how you can fill it. Okay, so first your name and surname, then link to your organization's or client's official online presence like website or Facebook page. Okay, you add, then your email ID, then reported content, so report number if it is available. This you can find the number in your email you received, okay, when your content was removed. Then you should select the content that you wish to appeal. Okay, for technical reasons we may be unable to locate all of the content that you may wish to appeal. Okay, so you should I cannot see the content that I wish to appeal. So or if that you are not able to find, then you check this box. Okay, I cannot see the content, so then you explain it. Okay, your thoughts, your belief. Okay, that my content should not be removed, please restore it. So you write your explanations, okay, over in this box, description box. Then if you have any attachment, you upload the file. Okay, and then you check this was removed due to complaint of trademark information. I believe this content should not have been removed. Okay, because you have submitted the declarations and the details. Okay, then you check this box and send it and your signature. Okay, e-signature. So this part is done for FB. Now come to this Insta. So same thing, Insta also same 3 points. First you should access the link, same link, otherwise they will not be able to process your appeal. Don't use this page directly. Okay, if you have not yet received any email, then only you use this link. Okay, this page link from the description box. Try to contact actually the person. Okay, you settle it there, and after if it is not settled, okay, then you use your link to receive to reach this page, and then you fill this, and after that you should complete the instructions. Okay, so many people actually forget to complete this last part. Okay, so they think, okay, I have submitted this form, so it is done. So no, it is not like that. Okay, so here email, full name, then report number, URL where the content appeared. Okay, then your declarations, explanations, then link to your website or Facebook page so that they can contact you. Okay, like your if it is related to Insta, you add your Facebook page URL. Okay, if it is related to Facebook, then you add your website, Insta, Twitter page. Okay, whatever, because it is etc. Anything you can, any online presence link you can add. Okay, then you check this box and